Hello friends, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video I am going to share you one of the Bank Nifty strategy which I am showing you in the live market. Today also this pattern has formed and I will show you this pattern. This pattern many times it forms and it is quite common pattern also you can see in the market at regular interval of times. So first we will select this as the Bank Nifty. First index chart we have to open, and the time frame for this what we are selecting is 5 minutes. You can do this in 5 minutes, you can do this in 10 minutes, you can do it in any time frame, but at least 5 minutes time frame is required, because if you go in the lesser time frames you will get more signals, but there can be false signals also. So at least 5-minute pattern is recommended. First I will draw you and show you this pattern, then it will be easy to understand. For example, when the market, sometimes you will see the market will fall. The market is continuously falling. After it falls, what it will do, it will retrace back up to a certain amount. So it retraces back up to a certain amount and then again it falls. When it falls, you will see this fall is just comes before the previous level. Most around the previous levels, it can be little up or it can be little down. And from here it will again, and from here it will again, you will see this will bounce back from this level up. So what pattern it looks like, friends? This looks like the W pattern, correct? It always forms a pattern which is similar like the W. First it falls, then it goes up, then again it falls, then it will again go up. So what we have to do in this strategy, when it falls, we have to mark this line, and it is just like a zone. It's not like the single point, so we will mark this zone from here to here, suppose. And whenever it comes in this range, we can do it in two types. If you are aggressive trader, first we will select it once it falls and we will keep a stop loss, or we will see one candle to form and we can buy above the high of this candle. That I will explain you now in the chart. You can understand it very easily. So as you can see in this today's chart, the market falls from here, it bounces back, it again comes back to the same level, and again it bounces back. So what we will do, first the point from where it bounces back, we will mark the zone and keep the zone like this. So there are two types of entries. When it falls here, we can directly enter, or we can enter above the candle which is forms above the high of this candle, we can buy. And the target for this type of pattern, we can keep at least 1:1, then we can trail it to 1.5 and 1:2, and sometimes it gives even higher. Suppose for this case, if we go for this above this one, we will, wherever is the previous low, we will keep some buffer point. So for example, around 70 point is your stop loss in the index chart I am showing you, and your first target is 1:1. So you will get around this level, you will get the target. So this is how you can take the trade in this, and sometimes it gives the bigger also. For example, it gives up to 1.85% of target. So it will be not fixed, but it can vary. And this pattern forms many times. I will show you in the chart also previously wherever it is formed. Today this is formed in this chart, and you can, if I go back and I will show you, this is a quite common pattern, and many times this is forming. See, suppose here, if you buy here in this day, here also you can get a trade similar pattern like this. Once it falls here, it goes up, again it comes down, you buy above the high of this candle, and with a buffer you keep the stop loss, and you get a good rally here. Many times this is forming. See, again on this date it is formed. It falls, it goes up, it is not coming to this range, you have to wait for this range. So you buy above the high of this candle and you get this pattern. Similar pattern you can get in the market, many times you will get. See here again it forms the same pattern. This is the zone, so you buy above the high of this candle. In this case, maybe your stop loss is hit. Even if it is hit, you can again enter here another time the trade, because this is a W pattern only, so you can again take the trade. This is a triple bottom pattern. we can take it as a W pattern also in this trade. So this is a very good pattern, you can try. You can see friends, here again it forms, you buy above the high of this candle and you get a very good points. So friends, if you like this strategy, you can share, you can first backtest this strategy, you can share with your other friends and members, and you can, then only you can trade directly. Don't jump into the trade, first you have to backtest. Backtest is compulsory for any of the strategy we are doing. So as of now friends, for today, thank you and bye bye. We will come back again with another strategy.